What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here on the gsfootage garage. Today we're taking the 1970 Chevelle SS to a Cars and Coffee meet, and we're also taking Papa Smurf. So double whammy today. But let's get some cold stars first.
What's up?
It's on stealth mode, so to the Cars and Coffee right now. It's from 9 to 12, so we're making good time. I got my wife in the back with Papa Smurf. All right, guys, so we needed to stop for fuel real quick, so we're back on track now. So we made it, we're parked, met up with Salty. What's up, Salty?
What's up, brother?
Give a shout out to your channel. Where do they follow you?
_ Salty Rhino on IG and YouTube and on TikTok as well.
There you go. And Salty's gonna start doing a whole bunch of Cars and Coffee videos, a bunch of vlogs, right?
Yes, sir.
So stay tuned.
Check out the channel, you know, we're everywhere.
There you go. All right, guys, so we parked right here. We're gonna check out the cars, but first, donuts. Donuts. Ooh, look at this Z01. I like this body's Z01. I like these.
Ahorita dice ya te habló el de la carnicería, ¿verdad?
Alright, guys, so there's a little line to get donuts, which is okay. That means it was a good turnout for the car show. A lot of cars, a lot of Corvettes. I think this is Corvette specific, I think, but we're here. Donuts smell good. What are you gonna get? Sprinkles? Hey, what are you gonna get?
I could smell it from. I could already smell it from the.
Donuts? Which one do you want? Let me pick your donut. Which one do you want?
Can I get one of the donuts?
Ooh, that's a big one. That's
while your dad goes up?
All right, guys, so the wife and the kids are back there on the table eating their donuts. I'm gonna walk the car show real quick. This is probably gonna be my only chance for a little bit of peace. So let me see if I can storm through this. All right, guys, so what we have here is a blue C6 Corvette base model. Let me tell you what year it is. All right, I'm guessing this is an 05, 06 because of the steering wheel. An automatic car. Pretty nice, mint condition. That's a telltale sign how to tell the year on the C6s is the steering wheel. If they have that steering wheel, it's usually an 05, 06. Here we have a Grand Sport Corvette. Nice, nice. They decided to go with the yellow on the hash marks. I think that's what they're called. Automatic car. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Got a C8 Corvette, convertible. Looks good. This one has a pretty aggressive front lip on it. Oh damn, it's missing part of the front lip. Oh. And I was just about to photobomb. We'll skip this part here. Got a Z06. A Grand Sport. Oh, and another thing about the earlier C6 models, like the 05, the 06, and 07, they had LS2s. The 08 was the first with the LS3. See how this one rocks the LS2 badge? That's because it's an earlier model. If you look at the steering wheel, I'm pretty sure it's gonna have. Oh no, you see, this is it's probably like an 06 because of the steering wheel. Hey, this is yours?
Yeah.
What year is it?
It's an 07.
07, okay. I was just saying that you could tell the year of the Corvette by the steering wheel. How the 05s had that other steering wheel.
Yeah.
And then I think 06 and up had this one, right?
Yeah, until 2012. Then they had a different style, 2012, 2013.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
so
right.
so you can tell the 06 and up by the steering wheel, and then you can tell if it's a 06, 07 by the LS2, which just has an LS2, and then 08 is switched to LS3. So subtle differences, but that's how you tell them apart. Thanks, bro. Nice car. Oh, this is cool, guys, right here. Check that out. I like that right there. Pretty cool little detail. The Punisher skull. Oh, look at this thing. This thing is sharp. Nice wheels. Pretty nice. And we have the 427 Z06. Check it out. This one's rocking some mods. Some carbon fiber accessories. Got a Corsa folder intake. One of the nicer ones. Looks really nice. This one has the blacked out headlights. Carbon fiber front lip. Some do-it-yourself carbon flash wheels. Not bad. Looks pretty good. And the good thing about these guys is these are all stick shift. You know how I like my 3-pedal cars. So pretty nice. Oh, look at this thing. This thing is nice. Look at the color on this one, guys. This is the color right here. I wonder if this is a wrap. Wow, this is sharp.
I like it.
Oh, and it's supercharged. Wow, guys, this is cool right here. You got a Z06 on a blower. That must be hella fun. That color is magnificent also. Got a C7 over here. Grand Sport. The mirrors, this thing's super slim. That thing is dropped. Oh, we got another blower C6. LS3. See, now this is an LS3, so it's 08 and up. Peep the steering wheel. Ooh, it's a 3-pedal car. Nice. Got a C7. Ooh. Now this is my cup of tea right here, guys. Check out these wheels. I'm pretty sure this thing buggies. It has axles on it too. Nice. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Got another, oh, both on a drag pack. Keep the differences, guys. Check out the tire. Both on B-locks. Got Mickey Thompson on the left. Oh, another Mickey Thompson, but this is the more aggressive one. It's more the street one. Nice. Got a Z51 package car over here. Got a C5. So there you go. You got C5, C6, C7. Oh, C8. Got a Rapid Blue C8 right here. I want one of these guys in Rapid Blue. Wouldn't that be so cool to have one of these with my Papa Smurf LT1 Camaro? Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, so we have a classic Cadillac here, an Impala, either a 95, 96. This one has IROX in the front, got a nice tire in the back on a stock wheel, pretty cool. And I'm guessing this is a 95 because it has a shifter on top. The 96 had the shifter on the console, if I'm not mistaken. Got a C8 Corvette, Z06, and it's a taxi. So we have a Z51, C6 Corvette on a blower, LS2 car. Got some nice seats in here, man stick car, 3-pedal car. Oh, this is cool, something a little different. Not bad, not bad. Believe it or not, guys, these cars right here are shooting up in value like crazy. Corvette, Focus. Ooh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Got a little Chevy Nova.
Because I can change it from brakes in 15 minutes. But like if he's gonna do
Remember this car, guys? We seen him at a meet. Yeah, we seen him at another meet.
At the Costa, I was at the Costa Mesa one and the Irwindale Speedway.
And the one by the airport.
Yeah, yeah.
That one was yeah.
That's my baby.
There it is. There it is. You got your signature
I got
design.
it signed by Aaron Shelby in the passenger side.
Oh no way.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Oh yeah, you sure did. That's neat.
Met him at the Peterson Museum.
I have yet to go. I want to go.
Yeah, that's nice. You gotta go there.
And then he's rocking his passion all over his car. Pretty cool. Remember, guys, build your passion. That's what it's all about. Build your passion.
Follow me on Instagram too, Nacho the Skater.
Follow Nacho the Skater
On Instagram.
You got it. Got a purple Camaro from Empire's Finest Camaros. Got a, what do we got here? Hot Wheels for sale. Oh, that's cool. Who's selling the Hot Wheels? I gotta find the seller of the Hot Wheels because my kids like Hot Wheels. Got a Z01 over here. Very beautiful car. Check out that stripe. Nice. Got a ZL1 convertible over here. Got a Super Sport Camaro. This car here is supercharged, if I remember correctly. I seen it before, and it has suicide doors, like a true bumblebee. It's pretty cool. Got a SS Camaro, Z01. What's up, buddy? They're selling Hot Wheels over there, I think. Yeah, we gotta check it out. I want to get one of these guys. I like the 5th gen Z01s. I think it's just such a, it looks like such a raw muscle car. I like it. These things are so cool. We got a Salty's Camaro over here. Oh, the Salty's gone. And then we have come on, Papa, walk with me. A Z01. Is this Z01? Let's see. A Z01, stealthy looking. We have a C6 Grand Sport, C6 Z06. They both rock the similar bumpers. Yeah, similar bumpers. Different wheels. Automatic, stick shift. Cool cars. Oy. Got a 5th gen Camaro on a nice wheel. We got a F-body here. I love F-bodies, guys. I grew up around F-bodies. I probably owned, believe me, 8 of them. A lot of them. I love F-bodies.
Really?
Yeah.
You own that much?
Yeah, before you were born, I had a whole bunch of these. That was the thing that was hitting before you were born. Got a cat eye over here. This is called the cat eye, buddy. See how the little eyes are like little cats? And then this one's a step side. You see how the bed in the back has a little step side? It's actually a pretty rare truck. Very nice.
Wait, this is a truck?
No, that over there. This is a car. This is a Grand Sport. Nice. Those wheels are magnificent. I like those wheels. I like the billet looks. Oh, stick shift car. On a beautiful interior. Look at those seats, Recaros. Nice. Got a M3. Nice, nice. Cadillac CTS-V. Got a little doggy. Nice little puppy. Got a race-ready Corvette. Oh, look at those exhaust tips. Isn't that cool? Seems like something out of a rocket ship. That's pretty cool. Probably that when it's not heat up.
Exactly. Yeah, he does all the work
On a blower.
There's a company, American Heritage Performance. No. They're like a premier engine builder for.
Now, guys, this is one of my favorite C5 Z06 cars around. This guy's been around for a long time. I've seen him a few times. Just amazing. Jeez.
Oh, dirty. What's up? What's up?
Hey, you got here quick.
I did, dude. I was smashing. Yep. What's up? What's up? What's up?
He just ate a donut.
Nice.
Got Conrad's 1999 30th anniversary Trans Am. No Z01?
No Z01 today. Letting it sleep tonight. Well, today. Yeah.
Hey, the donuts are good. Did you go get a donut?
Not yet. I haven't tried them yet.
Donuts are fire.
Ooh, I gotta
They're
go
nice
get
and
some.
fresh.
I'll get
You
some
gotta go
for
get
sure with
some.
my coffee.
Yeah. Stay with me, okay? All right, so we got Conrad's 30th right here. We got a Nova wagon over here. Oh, this thing's a sleeper for sure. Yeah, this is a sleeper. Got the Holley EFI Terminator X. See the shifter. This car boogies for sure. Got Conrad over here with the man stick. Gotta love me a Trans Am that has a manual transmission. Just the best. This is yours? Oh, it's a sleeper, huh? Oh, yeah.
Not really. Until I turn it on.
I saw the Holley screen. I'm like, oh yeah, it's on a. It's
Oh
on
no,
a
but it's got a small block in it, bro.
Oh no way.
Yeah.
Oh nice. Oh, that's cool. Did you do a lot of the fab work yourself?
What's that?
Like the strut tower brace, you did all that?
No, that's aftermarket, dude. All the suspension's all pretty much stock. Besides a few other braces and some 2-in-1 drag shocks, front and rear.
That's nice. Yeah, it's becoming rare to see the traditional motors in these things. Let's see that startup. For all those people who say carburetors don't start on the first try, let's see.
Yeah, it did it.
That's raw American muscle right there, guys. Raw American muscle. Nice, and it's on a good tire too. Sounds so good, brother. Sounds really good.
Thanks, man.
I like how you have the factory wheel, but it's actually a skinny, and you got the drag tire in the back. That's pretty cool. I like that.
Got full suspension, Caltrax.
What does this thing turn?
Fastest it's gone is 6.8 at Irwindale.
What?
Full street, like the way you see. Well,
Dude,
with
680s is fast. What the? That is quick. The fastest I turn on my Camaro, that blue one over there is mine. 10-speed car on the 85. I've gone 7-10.
7.2?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one ran 7.2s. Maybe April, almost a year ago.
Jeez.
Yeah, but you know, full interior, you know,
Yeah,
all steel.
that's good.
I don't care what people say that these are light. They're still a heavy car, dude.
Yeah.
It's still heavy.
Yeah, that's my Chevelle too. The red one next
Yeah,
to
I
it.
saw that. It's real nice.
They're heavy.
Real nice.
Man,
This thing,
that's good
I
though.
hop in, I put my grandson in here, drive it.
That's good. That's good.
I drive it just about everywhere. And it's got a tall gear. It's got a 331 gear in it.
Oh, so this is LSFS ready.
If I wanted to, if I drive out there, if I got the time, but
You'll make it to Vegas, no problem.
yeah, no issues whatsoever.
That's good. Beautiful car, brother.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Got a C8 Corvette over here. It's probably something you like right here, huh? Like this black one? Oh, gold wheels. I love gold wheels, bronze wheels. That's cool. Convertible Corvette. Oh, this one has a wide body. See how this one has the wide rear quarters?
Yeah.
Oof. Look at that, guys.
What is that?
That's nice. That's a tow hook. So in case he loses control at the track, they could tow him out. Not bad, not bad. That's pretty nice. I like that, guys. That's pretty cool. We have over here a Nova. This is the oddball one. This is, I believe it's like a 74. The one with the bigger bumper, but they did something called I think they call it French bumpers, where they make the bumper smaller so they could squeeze up, or else this thing would have like a huge bumper. But this is one of the oddball ones, which surprisingly I like the oddballs a lot. I think they're cool. Oh, this one has a nice shifter too. This one's also on a tire, not bad. Oh, here you go. Here's an example of what the front bumper would have looked like, something like that. So nice tire. Oof. Got a Firebird, Camaro.
It's another slide car, right?
This one has a, this is like an 84, I think, because of the bumper, 83 maybe.
I'm calling them a slide car.
Oh, the roof? Oh, the hood. Yeah. Let's see, we got one more lane to go and we're done with all the cars here. All right, we got a C8 Corvette on Lambo doors. Look at that, isn't that cool? Pretty cool. Got a Mercedes silver ZL6.
With that being like that's fair. They could see it.
As long as they can see it.
The one on the back side is tight.
Look at that, guys. Got a silver ZL6. We got a Cadillac CTSV. LSA car. Not bad. Probably has some mods. I see a fuel pressure regulator. Probably feeding some E85 through it. Got another CTSV.
Simon.
And then from Laguna PCH back
All
down.
the way to Long Beach.
This is like a chameleon color.
Okay, nice.
My favorite chameleon color cars though are the 0304 Cobras. The best. It's got a ATSV, if I'm not mistaken. Not a CTSV, ATSV. Cadillacs. Now this has to be on airbags. Has to be on airbags. How does he drive? Look at, he's dragging the bumper. Check it out.
Because one of the biggest meets we did.
Oh yeah, see? Back C7 Ray. Definitely on airbags. Pretty cool. LS3 car. Oh, another way to tell them apart is the wheels. All these have different wheels depending on the year also. We have a LT1 Camaro RS Rapid Blue automatic 10-speed car on a drag pack. This is my car. Got a Empire's Finest Camaro business card. Check them out, guys. I definitely will. This one is tuned by a KP Fab and built by gsfootage. And over here we have a 1970 Chevelle with the 480. I know that. Tuned by KP Fab and Tune. This car here rocks a 6.0 iron block with LS3 head, LS3 intake manifold, custom intake by KP Fab and Tune, long tube headers, you know, the whole deal. Missing a bumper, but we'll get there.
Why are you recording your own car?
This is my car. All right, guys, we have a Mustang here. What happened? What happened? This event continues to fill up even more. Ferrari just pulled in. Sounds really good. Goals right there, guys. Goals. We got a C5 Corvette, beautiful color. I remember when that color came out. Got a BMW, a Lexus, lower Lexus. Got a 454 pickup truck, single cab short bed. These are nice. Probably the last of the big block trucks on a single cab short bed. Pretty nice, rare truck. All right, we have a Typhoon over here. These things are cool, guys. This is like a Grand National in a pickup truck. Super cool. Corvette wheels.
It's not actually black, it's like shit over it.
Sorry. This is a prime example of when General Motors used to do specialty vehicles. I wish they would have continued. Maybe they would have been doing stuff like Dodge, right? Like the SRT Durango, SRT Grand Cherokees and stuff like that. But for some reason, we kind of fell off. Here's a 3rd gen Camaro. All right, guys, we have a 3rd gen Camaro here, LS swapped. Has the F-body accessories. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Looks like it's a, well, I don't know. Might be an LS1, might be an LS2. It looks like an LS2 intake manifold. I'm not sure. But you can check them out at Chupa C28. Nice car. Nice car. Nice tire. Ooh, stick shift car. Pretty cool. Wait, is it stick shift or is it auto? I don't know. 2nd gen Camaro. Nice wheels. Actually really rare to see these cars nowadays, especially in this condition. Got an F body over here. Crazy setup. I wonder if it's turboed. Yeah, it is turboed. Turboed. Fab works a little interesting. Got a Pontiac G8. Got the Ferrari. Look at the size of those brakes.
That's awesome. You know what? This is my car.
Is it your car?
Look at the motor. No, it's not my car.
Oh.
Somebody else.
A little dusty, my friend. I love it. It's a little bit.
That's alright. No, for real, honestly. Wow.
Really cool.
I should go like this. Oh, that was.
Well, there it is, guys. Nothing like a Ferrari to drive a crowd. But that's all the cars here at Cars and Coffee. This event is hosted once a month. I'll put some details here on the description. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the cars. If you couldn't make it out, we're gonna go ahead and walk around and kind of chop it up with people. But wanted to get the cars for you guys first, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye. Corvette played it smart because I seen he had a big old blower, but he's like, he punched it when he got nice and straight. He was not trying to punch it while turning. Oh, he had it on the floor right now. Got himself in a predicament. Man, sense it. Me too, bro. I was just gonna say that. They left traction control on though.
Sí, a huevo, güey. Oh, the car. Oh, shit.
Oh no. Go that way. Go that way. Beautiful car. Uncle? No, my brother has one.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.